Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the studio. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Brian. I am today working on a open cup pour, playing with negative space. I've got a really dark, deep gray color for my base coat, and I'm using some wonderful colors that's really going to play off of that base coat really well. So I'm very excited about it. I'm working on keeping some negative space a little on each side of the pour, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then I will also ask you guys, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video because I will be announcing the winner of this straight pour that I did on Wednesday's video. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and I'll link that into the description box, but go check it out. It's a really pretty set of colors and it really came out well. I will be putting Liquitex gloss varnish on this. So let's get down on the canvas. Let's get started painting. I'll be right back. All right, so what I've got is a 24 by 30 gallery wrap canvas. I really enjoy this size canvas because it just gives me a lot of room to work and move my paints. So again, today I'm going to be doing an open cup. So I've got a 16-ounce cup that I've cut the bottom off. So I've got just the lid. And I'm working on, I think I'm gonna leave some negative space. The last couple that I did not leave negative space. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with this one. I am working with some beautiful colors, but I'm also using up some flow extender that I've had sitting around. So my base paint today is this army gray color. So this is a combination of a bunch of black, some gray, it had some metallic colors in it. So I'm trying to use all of this paint up. I'll show you all the tubs that I have that I need to get rid of. So the first color I'm working with is Titanium White from Amsterdam. I'm using Oxide Black from Amsterdam. I'm using Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the blue green, the iridescent blue green. This is a combination of Pebeo's iridescent silver and the Soho silver. This Soho silver. Green. So this is a combination of Creative Inspirations in the light green mixed with the emerald green in the metallics along with the deep sapphire. So it's kind of like the mysterious color, but it's a lot greener. I think that's going to play well with these colors. And then my last color is going to be Phthalo blue. My paints are mixed with Liquitex gloss varnish, paint, Floetrol, and some water to thin it down. My paints are making a slight mound and literally sinking right back in itself. I hope you can see that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just flood an area of the canvas. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do that. All right, I am going to put my cup about here. Now I'm just going to start pouring colors in. White. Okay, I think what I'm going to do in this is what I did in one of my ones a while back. I'm going to wreck it with the cup. So instead of twisting it, I'm going to twist it around, but I'm going to create some movement through it. So. I really love what phthalo blue and white and silver do. It's going to be interesting to see what I get out of this. Leave some negative space, hopefully. We know the weight of the paint is right here in the center, pretty sure. Yeah. So what I would like to do is come off down here. Still got a lot of paint on here.
We're not out of the woods yet, you know. Don't stop.
love this. Really cool. One thing I need to do now is I will fix the sides so that it's all got some of this paint. I love this combination though. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, here we are with the wet result. I absolutely love this. The cells that came up in this is so beautiful. That blue-green from Pebeo is just fantastic with the phthalo blue and the silver. Everything just works really, really great. Let me bring you in here. All right, we'll see this one is dry. All right, here we are. This is so beautiful. Just love this color combination. I'm loving that gray part for the negative space. Just great. That's going to do it for today's video. I'm very, very happy with the turnout of this piece. What a beautiful set of colors. The gray background with the blues and the silver and white just really played well. I even love how I got some of the negative space of the gray running back through it. What's cool about this in playing with how to get cells and thickening paints and thinner paints, things like that, you'll notice I still did get a lot of cells, but I didn't get a huge amount. And the reason why you tend to get a lot of cells with open cup pours, because you're churning the paints. When you're pouring your cup of color into the paint on the canvas, and you, especially if you're pouring up high, you're causing a lot of churning to happen of the paint. So regardless really of how thin or thicker paints are, it's just naturally going to make cells. But the thinner your paints are, you're definitely going to get more cells. So a combination of this, of not having thin paints, and a lot of times I didn't really pour up super high, I poured a little bit lower. So that contributes on how you get cells with open cups. So I really, really love open cup pours. It's a lot of fun. You get to create a lot of different direction changes with open cups, because you can place the cup around wherever you want on the canvas. So it's just a lot of fun. All right, so let's head over to the comment picker so we can figure out who's going to be the winner of Swirling Waters. I'll be right back. All right, let's check out the winner. So let's head over to the channel real quick, and we're gonna select the video. We're gonna grab the link, copy it, and let's head over to the URL and put that in. We're going to filter out duplicate users, and we're also going to, we're just going to filter out duplicate users. That way everybody's got a single chance to win. Nobody's getting a leg up. And let's see here, 5 plus 3 is 8. We're gonna see how many comments we have. We have 106 comments. All right, let's see who the winner is. Brenda Norton. Brenda Norton, you are the winner of this piece. All you gotta do is send me your information and we can work out how we're gonna ship this to you. You can email me at studio15acrylics@gmail.com. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate everyone's support. You've been great helping me out in my channel. Thank you so, so much. I will see you on Wednesday. Have a great weekend, or what's left of it. Bye-bye.